Welcome back to the PPC crash course series. You have made it to part 3 and this is where things start to get really exciting. In this video, we are diving into one of the most powerful parts of your PPC success, the keyword research. But not the old school way. We are showing how to do it smart, fast, and beginner friendly using our very own tool, Keyword Master. This tool brings together data from Helium 10 and Brand Analytics, giving you access to high converting, budget friendly keywords that actually drive sales. And yes, you get it completely free. So by the end of this video, you will know how to find keywords that actually convert and how to use them to optimize your PPC campaign and listing like a pro. So if you are tired of wasting ad spend on random keywords, stay tuned. This video will change how you do keyword research forever. So don't wait and let's jump in. Type your main keyword in the search bar menu. So now click on the Helium 10 extension and choose Xray Amazon product research. From the list, pick your top 9 competitors based on reviews and sales. So add your own ASIN at the top. So in total, you'll have 10 ASINs. So on the same page, click ASIN Grabber and download the CSV file. Now open Helium 10 and paste those 10 ASINs. Apply 2 filters. Number 1 is main search volume, the 300, this one, and the main word count 2, this one. So click apply filters and download the CSV file. So the next step is brand analytic reports. So go to the Amazon Seller Central, then open Brand Analytics. Under Search Analytics, select Top Search Terms. Set a range to monthly, year 2025. Select month and hit apply here. So in top, click product, paste those 100 ASINs from ASIN Grabber and click refine results. So next step is click generate, download simple view and download the report. So now also download the search query performance report. So step number 2 is inserting data into Keyword Master. Open your Keyword Master tool. So here, go to Extra tab, here, File, Import, and upload your extra file. And click replace data at selected cell, then hit import. So next is in Xray ASINs tab, paste your 10 selected ASINs. Import the Cerebro CSV into this tab. Import the 𝐊𝐞𝐲𝐰𝐶 report into this tab. And the final step is import the top search terms report into the brand analytics tab. So now the step number 3, authorization and competitor data. So go to your competitor summary tab, click the spectrum button. The first time you use the tool, it will ask for authorization, and it's one-time process. So once you authorized it, and you will retrieve all the details like product links, title, images, reviews, brand name, monthly sales, and revenue. So step number 4 is find low-hanging fruit keywords. So go to the low-hanging fruit keyword tab. Low-hanging fruit keywords are easy to rank keywords with low competition and decent volume. So set the search volume range, minimum 500, maximum 1000, adjust as you need it. So click get keywords and paste your ASIN, and boom, you will see keywords, search volume, sales, click share, and rank position. So branded terms are marked with the warning icons right here, so you can avoid them. So step number 5 is get target keywords. So click the get target keywords button here. This will show you a cleaner list of high potential keywords with most branded terms removed. So if you want to include some branded keywords, just click the boxes and click the brand keywords button. So step number 6 is 𝐊𝐞𝐲𝐰𝐶 data. So click on the 𝐊𝐞𝐲𝐰𝐶 data. You will get the keyword from Scratch Query sheet. Keywords highlighted in yellow appear in both target and search query data, meaning real Amazon customers are searching from them. So step number 7 is get target keywords and search query tabs. So click the table icon cell R9 here and sort the conversion share column Z to A, and then select only the most relevant keywords to your product. Do the same process in search query tab as well. So step number 8 is main data tab, keyword finalization. So now click the main data cell AJA here. This tab will show you all the selected keywords in one place. T means that this keyword is from data target tab, and S means the keywords is from search query tab. So now in the priority column, assign where you will use that keywords like title, bullet points, description, PPC, backend key terms. So step number 9 is keyword relevancy tool. Sometimes when we are selecting the keywords, we miss out some keywords that are closely relevant to our product, but don't worry, because we have the keyword relevancy feature in this tool. So in the keyword relevancy tab here, type a root keyword in cell S9 here and click the keyword relevancy. You will get all of the relevant keywords. Choose relevant keywords. So click button AQ9 and add those keywords into the main tab. So green highlighted keywords are already present in the main data. Congratulations, you have completed low-hanging fruit keyword research. But if you want to use high search volume keywords, you can use the keyword master tab. In this tab, we will get the keywords with the search volume of 1,000 and plus. Repeat the same process in the keyword master tab. Use both depending on your PPC goals and budget. So go to the listing analyzer tab. The listing analyzer has two modes: keyword master for high search volume keywords, low hanging fruit keywords for easier low competition keywords. So by default it opens in keyword master mode. So to switch the low hanging fruit keywords mode, simple click the toggle button at the top of the tab here. So now we are in low hanging mode. Here is what you will see. It shows how many characters you are using in your title, bullet points, description. It also shows your keyword usage count from the low hanging main data list. For example, we are currently using one keyword from the list in your title, one keyword in the bullet point, two keywords in the description. That gives you a clear idea of where you are missing the keywords coverage. So best of all, highlighted in the main data tab, so you can easily track what's already been included. So now go to the low hanging fruit keyword main data tab here. Start inserting your selected keyword into your title, bullet points, description, backend search terms. So once you are done, your content will be fully optimized with the best low search volume keywords, perfect for low CPC PPC campaigns that bring in results without burning your budget. Want to optimize for high volume? If your goal is to rank for high search volume keywords, just switch back to the keyword master mode and repeat the same optimization process using those keywords. This lets you target competitive terms for scaling your product. So you did it. You have now completed the fully keyword research, full listing optimization. If you have any question, drop them in the comments. I am happy to help. So in the next video, we will create a sponsored product manual campaign using these exact keywords step by step. So thanks for watching and stay connected for more.